Hi boys and girls, so I just wanted to show you quickly, I'm going to post some math review worksheets that I want you to work on. So when you log in through the dashboard and you click on the folder and then you go to today's module, which is Monday, December 7th, you'll click on math review worksheet and then you have to click on these blue words that says click on this link for your math review assignment. And then you will log in with Google, click on your name, and here you are. So when you click on it and you want to write something, see this pencil? So you just take the pencil, you click on it, and then you can go ahead and write your answer in here. And do the same, okay? So I just wanted to show you how to do that. When you are done, make sure you click the I'm done button, because if you do not click the I'm done button, it will not send it to me and show me that you are finished. So please make sure that you click I'm done, and then it will send it to me finished. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a good day. Bye.